Hi, welcome back to Shankar's channel, and this video is all about what we have discussed, and this is the enhanced version of the last video where we covered how we can make a utilize of AWS cloud resources to make some ML model. So this was the just basic one before I move on to really ML related services of AWS offered by AWS, right? So that would be a complex one. So I just want everyone to be aware of the basics. And like I've been saying for my in my last videos that you can download the handwritten notes given in the link in the description. So what actually the definitions are, what is AI, what is ML, what are the algorithms we have, and what how differ the algorithms are. You can go through those handwritten notes. These are nothing copied from anywhere in the article. Those are the ones I have prepared in my own handwriting. So you can go through it. All right. So let's move on to some enhanced version. You must have seen some websites where you input the details and you get the estimated price of your existing old car, right? By just putting the some model year and some details like that. So let's see how that is done with some basic stuff. It is not the enhanced. Uh, this is not the website that you see. This is just a sample project with some sample inputs that have already listed in the CSV, right? So let's move on to the same steps. The steps are almost similar. The only difference is the naming convention of the files. So I have already copied the files. It's not here. It's in the EC2. So it should be all right. Just a second. Let me restart the session. So it should be here, but I don't want it to be here. So I'll move it. First, I'll have to jump into the root user and let's make a directory. Car price prediction. All right, we are now in car price prediction. Let's move the files from PC to user home directory. PC to user home directory. I want every file, so I'll put a star, and I want the file to be copied here, so I'll put dot. Now I have the files here. Cool. Let me go through. Let me walk you through train model.py. So if you have seen that we have twisted few things here. Okay, so this is called the, you must have heard in my last video, I was saying that this is the regression, logistic regression model algorithm behind the scenes, and this is the random forest you must have heard of if you have gone through some study materials of the ML. If not, like I'm saying, you just go through it either on the internet. I'm not saying that you go through the notes that I prepared or listed here. You can Google it, you can go to the internet and search for it. So again, this is not a theory session. So let's move on to the next file. Requirements should be the same. They are because we like to have it served through Streamlight and Pandas. These are the dependencies we would like to have it installed at first place. And then we have card or data. So this is the model brand year previous. I have already given the input, and based on this model I'll train this model now, and let's see how it works. And the last but not the least is the actual file that would be executed. So this is the user input, whatever you would select, and whatever the predictions we can make based on the data we have. So it would be visible there on the page. All right, so let's clear it out again and move on to the commands. Again, I'm going to run the same command quickly because I'll run it because we are in the root, so it should not take much and we don't have to do sudo. Meanwhile, it is installing some. dependencies and the prerequisite. Let's move on to our next command is to train the model. Okay, so these are the topics all about collecting the data set, train the model, evaluate things, and then you get the result out of it, and then you again analyze those outcome. So that's where the data analysis comes into the picture. All right, so let's train the model now. It's saved. Was a bit quick because we don't have TensorFlow. If we have anything called as TensorFlow as a dependency, then that takes a long, and based on that, train model also takes the long. So I'm gonna run this. Okay, now let me open this URL, put 8501. I will get nothing or something. All right. So this is what I have got. I have got, let me choose the brand name. So suppose I have Maruti, and now the brand year is 2000, maybe 18 or 17, let's say. And I have, okay, let's keep it as is. And this is nothing but diesel. Okay, fine. And I have manual. I'm not sure what it say. So estimated resale price is 4 lakhs 40,600. You can twist it, and you can what you can do, you can customize the model, but based on what we have given, and this is very trained, again comes under supervised learning. So that's how it works. If you must have seen such pages on the existing websites we have in the market. So that how it works. This is the model behind the scenes, and maybe some enhanced version, and this is just a sample. This is not a copy of anything like that. Okay, just a sample I have created based on the brand, year, mileage, fuel type, transmission. These are the basic ones. If you drive car, so you must be aware of these terms. If you have car, if you don't have but interested, you must be aware of this. So that's how the prediction comes into the picture. Prediction is all about the training the model and predict something that is not right now but maybe in the future, based on what values you give to the model, to the form like we have here in the display. So based on the algorithm and the technology, or I would rather say some scripts, right, that works behind the scenes like this only. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You would love to copy it. I'll upload this particular one as well, and wish you good luck for all your learnings. I hope you would enjoy coming videos based on some complex services I'm going to use with AWS to show you how you can do or play around with AI and ML. Okay, so good luck again. Thank you for watching.